Hello friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on the application of Pinterest. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Pinterest and you will click here. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store and then you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.